Hey guys, so today papanoorin natin ang Drag Race Philippines Episode 6. So today, Rusical yung gagawin nila. Yung mga nakaraang Rusical is iconic. So naasahan ko na itong season 3 since ito yung parang best season so far sa Philippine franchise. Na-expect ko na hindi sila magpapatalo. Tinatap kasi nila lahat ng challenges eh. So I'm expecting na itong Rusical, itatap din nila yung mga past seasons. And inspired sa Wicked. So, interesting kasi international yung inspiration nila ngayon. Which is, nagtataka din ako kung bakit sila gumamit ng international na inspiration. Wala na ba tayong inspiration dito sa Pilipinas? Parang gano'n. Ang ina-expect kong mag-excel dito, syempre si Maxi, si Mix, si Tita Baby, feeling ko si Popstar. Yung mga magagaling sa girl group kasi yung parang inaasahan ko dito eh. Feeling ko magpa-flop, parang wala. Parang best na tong mga natitira eh. Parang wala nang tapon yung mga natitirang cast. So, medyo nahihirapan akong umisip kung sino. Siguro kung pagdating sa stage presence, baka feeling ko kinakabahan ako kay John. Feeling ko malalamon siya, especially hindi kasama na niya sa stage sila Maxi. Para kasing sa lahat sa mga natitira ngayon, siya na yung parang pinakamahinhin dito eh, and Rusical dapat grand. So hoping naman na hindi kasi na siya, nasa winning streak na siya. Sino pa ba? Si Zimba. Si Zimba kaya mag-excel. May magaling naman sumayo si Zimba. And iconic din naman siya kumanta kasi yung sa girl group din at sa wala akong maisip na isa pang kasama ni John dito. So, yon. Based lang sa mga natitira. Simulan na natin. May robe na si Simba.
Girl, ayoko nang matalo ni Zayquin. No. Girl, papahirapan kita mag-pressing ba? Hayok! Oh my God! Yeah, thank you, Zayquin.
Deserve! My God!
Hindi masyado nakakalungkot. Sorry.
Hindi pa tapos. Wala na yung tao.
Wala na si Zayquin. Wala sila kawaii.
Oo nga.
In my heart of heart, mas bibigay ko kay Tita Baby. Just because Tita Baby's jokes were more thought out, mas creative.
Hot take. Nung pinapanood ko yung episode, yes, si Angel yung pinaka nakakatawa. Pero, after nung nag-simmer na sa akin yung episode, na-realize ko na, oo nga, parang si Tita Baby yung mas deserving. Kasi, halfway parang naging si Angel na yung character. And hindi na si Maria Clara. Though, gets ko naman na i-modernize niya si Maria Clara. Pero, ewan ko, para kasing kung sa iba kasi yon parang na-lose na yung character. Parang ganon yung dating sa akin eh. And si Tita Baby parang consistent yung pagiging kamatayan niya and yung mga jokes niya is about kay kamatayan talaga. Yun yung parang napagtanto ko, napag-isip-isip ko habang nag-edit ako ng previous episode, ganyan. So, yun lang, hot take lang.
Most of my looks hindi ako confident kasi hindi talaga yan yung design na napag-usapan namin nung iba.
Nawa kay Popstar.
Bililig yun. Kilala niyo ako lahat, diba? Popstar bench na ako sa labas. Ang laki ng expectation nila sa akin. Pero
May siya. May reputasyon siya eh. Hindi niya kapabayaan yung sarili niya talaga.
pag nakita mo na yung sarili mo sa iba na ganyan na. Pero siguro nilaban ko na lang talaga. Laban and enjoy the game. Pwede tanong ko sa'yo, ano ba yung athlete? Pagkitod ka tayo. For that being said, can we celebrate na?
Ikaw lang yun, Angel, sabi ni Kiana.
I still want to prove and show myself to the world. And I will not stop.
Ayun na naman,
Placements, please.
si Mix na naman yung ginagantog-ganto. Mukhang may plano. Naalala ko na naman yung gano'n ni Maxi. Si Mix na naman ng pinapakita sa umpisa. Feeling ko, ibobotom na naman. Pati si Popstar, pinapakita din. Mukhang may plano sa kanila sa sa episode na to.
With Khaled Karen,
Hmm?
Jiggly Caliente,
Oh, work Jiggly.
and with extra special guest judge,
Yes, Paula. PPN.
congratulate naman natin. Congratulations to you and to the other people. Thank you so much. Ayun, at hanggang ngayon. Tagalog mo, Tagalog. Ang sarap today. Dinededicate ko yung pagkapanalo ko for my mama and dad. Tapos sa boyfriend ko rin na nanonood. Para hindi ka mag-send. Ay, crush ko. Pero sa'yo naman ang uko ko.
Gago.
I'm having more fun. I found this great back. I can actually apply it in a good way sa challenge. Hindi nag-enjoy lang ako pero mukha pala. This week, I'm feeling determined to get back in the
Ayan o, inaano si Mix. Kinakabahan ako kay Mix. Baka mamaya i-send home na siya. Puro bottom na siya eh.
But then I went back to my core. I prayed and prayed. Pero lang ako yung record na I can be the bottom. So, kailangan mo wala na sa utang ng license. I heard you lost your dad before entering this competition. Yeah. How's your like?
Ay, oo nga. Nakwento niya pala sa una.
Well now,
Sa first episode.
pero hindi ko siya gagawing excuse yung parang hindi ako magaling ngayon kasi namiss ko yung dad ko or yung ate ko. Hindi siya ganun. The thing is, it's hard. Mamiss sila kasi you'll never see them. Si Jimmy parang hindi tao. Hindi siya nasi-shaky, ganyan. Lagi siyang on fire. Well, nakapag-breakdown naman ako ng malala. Is that, alam mo yung, ang unti na lang ng purpose mo to be here. Before coming here, parang I wanted to back out kasi nga, wala na ako ng purpose. Parang, but going there.
So hard.
And why I'm really holding back my emotions? Yes, but then again, my dad is never an excuse para bumaba yung, yung performance ko here in Drag Race.
Parang dapat nga mas maging inspiration mo pa yun eh.
Pero dahil dyan, ito ang alarma!
Alarma! Yari ka.
Girl, ang wild. Narinig first time ko yun.
Putik.
I mean, masaya talaga pala siya. Masaya siya sa feeling.
My queens, it's time to show them what it takes to be popular. This world can be wicked. So, you need to defy gravity
Obvious.
and those bitches for good.
Obvious. Rusical.
Hi, Queens! Ano na yung mga backlers? 8 queens left. Pa-intensa ng pa-intensa ang mga eksena. And to truly feel the intensity of the competition, let's explore your emotions right here in this room. Release all your inhibitions. I want a script filled with intensity and authenticity because for our mini challenge, we will be having an acting workshop.
Oh my God, acting challenge. Right up my alley, girl. Manilala na naman ako ng mini challenge.
Sayang wala si J Queen.
Workshop, you must showcase your extraordinary overacting skills. Bring to life the iconic lines from the viral acting workshop recently and let the drama unfold. The most convincing thespian wins.
Ano po yung thespians?
Of you on the back, kailangan kong marinig ang pinaka-intense na version ng viral lines na ito. Hayop ka! May araw ka rin pang papalok ka sa impyerno!
In English,
You're a pet!
Girl, taga-LA ka. Hindi ka ganyan mag-English.
And the more taps, the more overacting I want to hear, okay? Shall we start? Internalize. Feel the pain. Sana, uminom pala ako ng gamot kasi baka mamaya high blood din ako dito, tumutos pa lang mga ugat. Hayop ka! Ano ka rin? Bubulok ka sa impyerno! Hayop ka! Ano ka rin? Mabubulok
Ito yung ano ni Ogie, di ba? Viral video ni Ogie.
Nasagad ka! Yan na!
Hindi! 20,000 to. In fairness, ang galing ni Mix. Alam niyo, crush ko kaya si Mix. Ang hot kaya niya. Ang cute-cute niya. Bukod pala kay Maxi. Loyal pala kay Maxi. Dapat in-angel niya. Wah. Gato pala si Sarah pag nagre-rage.
Ba't ka na din sa akin ni Mama pa? Alala ko na nga. Pwede ko na rin yung usapin yun na yun.
Hindi pwede si Maxi sa acting. Sira ulo. Naka-heels pa yan. Oh!
Ang ridiculous ng gumagapang na siya. Ano pala ka mamauti?
Ayan. Nagpapadiscover si Kiana. Nagpapadiscover. Ayan na naman, nagrambola na naman. Chaotic talaga ng cast na to. Ayan na. Nagwawala na naman. Nagsasakitan na naman.
Grabe! What an Oscar-worthy moment! But there's only one queen who delivered the most dramatic, most overacted performance. The winner of this mini challenge is...
Popstar?
Congratulations, queen! You will receive a cash of 20,000 pesos. Very good!
It has been really back to top here.
Love that. Love that for you, Dave. And since, mga queen,
Ano na naman yung Kiana?
kayo sa pag-arte at ang inyong mga bosses, it's time to put your theatrical acting skills to the ultimate test. For this week's Maxi Challenge, get ready to be popular. Because tomorrow, you will defy gravity in our soaring lip-sync extravaganza titled Oh, Wicked Kita, the Rusical.
Ang saya, Wicked.
Finally, an acting challenge. Jesus Christ.
Ay, nakaka-relate ako.
Parang kasing ako nila kata ang naabutan yung aawitan kita by
Ah, okay. So may inspiration naman pala.
Each of you will embody a character inspired by the global hit music
Wicked.
now.
Sympathy.
Favorite musical ko talaga ang
Our mini challenge.
Wicked, all time.
Desired role first. As for the rest of you, it's a free for all. For some of you, this could be a make or break moment. So kung kinakailangan makipag-agawan ka for a role, please do so. I am begging you.
For the drama.
From now on, aim for the top, okay? See you later, Queen. Congratulations, everybody.
Sword, wicked kita, ang ating musical. Wicked kita? Honestly, hindi ko siya nag-get.
Hindi ko nga rin gets eh.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko Spirit aawitan?
Nung binabasa na namin yung script, pinapakinggan na namin. Ay, pukin ng dito. For sure, kukunin ni Simba si Elsie. Oh my fucking god.
Funny daw, mukhang masaya.
Excited ako, super, kasi excited na ulit ako sa bayaw. Okay, now let's decide. Finally, I'm gonna get that robot and I'm gonna be...
LV.
Good, diba? Grabe, te. Stop it on. I'm gonna be Alvi. I'm gonna be Alvi. Well, ang description naman ni Alvi is, she aims to raise her family from poverty. Tapos, yung looks niya, kakaiba sa majority. Wala na ako nakikita ang ibang face dito na pwede pulling yung role na yun. It's only me and Zin can do that. Ako gusto ko maging Glenda. Kasi gusto
Ako, main role ah.
meron akong other choice, which is si Mayor Joy.
Napasama na naman si Mayor Joy.
Choice ko, pero mas GB ako kay Mayora Joy. Pili ko para sa akin talaga siya.
Actually, gusto ko rin si Mayor Joy. Pero, Mayor Joy, G naman din ako kay Tita Needs. Kasi parang ayun na yun eh. Parang nagtaka kayo lahat. Bakit Mayor Joy? Tita Nids ka.
Let's give Tita Baby Tita Nids. Diba?
Sige, go. Alam mo lahat sila nakatingin sa akin. Wala ba?
And then si Tita, the Tita Baby, gusto niyo talaga si Tita Nids. I mean, I don't like shit, she likes it. Pero, yan na yun. But I really wanna say, if I can get it.
Kaya nga, kung gusto mo pala, parang ayaw naman ni Tita Baby.
Ikaw, sa tingin mo, mas mayorado siya. Okay, nakita ko dapat. Sige, gawin ko rin
Totoo nga.
Okay, let's give it to Ate John. Alam mo ba ang may gusto kay Cindy Offer? Cindy Offer was really minimal. Sige, challenge siya sa akin.
Ako, I wanna be Glinda. I wanna be
Sabay maging Glenda.
Like a lot of everyone else, I really like.
Daming gusto maging main role.
I honestly think Glenda would be Maxi. No, I wanna be.
O yan, mag-away kayo.
If I'm not gonna get Glenda, I'd pick him. Okay, like Soko na siya. And if I'm not gonna, if you like, let's talk about Glenda. Of course, I really wanted Glenda, but I didn't want to come out na parang I was so desperate for the role that this is the only role I can do. I wanted to play.
Kinakabahan ako kay Mix talaga kasi talagang lagi siya pinapakita either mananalo siya or mabobottom
Alam kong kaya.
or masasend home talaga.
Audition. Okay, let's start with Ate Nick. Whenever I see someone who's busted and a loner, I clearly have to take over and give her a makeover. What's funny about it kasi hindi na nagkababenta. Hindi ko nag-music at all. Whenever I see someone who's busted and loner,
Mahirapan si Angel. Hindi, mahirapan si Angel.
over.
Hindi pwede si Angel.
You're convincing yung
Hindi niya kaya.
big or not big.
Si Maxi. Di ba gusto rin ni Maxi?
Pero sige, dahil ama, give it to you kasi ikaw yung kailangan mo ng konting kalabit sa Diyos na kailangan mo nandito ka.
Pero totoo naman.
I trust myself na either mag-bigay sa akin Glenda or na yun. Good. What I have to clock here in this moment is nagpa-audition. And the moment that I did my audition, Angel conveniently handed me the role. I want this moment. So kung ano mang gusto mong paniwalaan ko, but for me, there was no other choice.
Mananalo ata si Mix.
Tsaka yung story ni Daimo, parang na-discriminate din siya. Ano, kaya.
OA.
Tapos susi, kain. You know, fun. Ito yung time to redeem myself talaga. Finally, and get her. Zimba picking LZ could either be the best or worst.
Kasi yun talaga yung main.
You have the star role, the lead role, but you also have to do the most work.
Mosang.
So for our musical this season, we are doing Aawi Kay Kita the musical to be choreographed by Teacher Cecil.
Di ko siya kilala.
Teacher Cecil, by the way.
Oh my God, iconic siya eh. Ang dami-daming shows on TV, hindi ko nababanggit ko ano. Pero yung face niya is a very familiar face na nakikita ko sumasayaw on TV.
You're very lucky. We have a very, very beautiful story to tell. Are we ready to start? I think you can rest first out your eating dinner and enjoy.
Excited akong sumayaw.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ano pa pala? 5, 6,
Delikado lagi yung mga minimal roles eh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and
Panamat hindi ako saan eh. Ano ba yan? Napakainis. I was thinking for the first class, relax. And then, relax. For this challenge, I really wanted to come into it wanting to shine. Like, I really wanted to finally have my moment. Like, let me have my moment.
yeah, actually, panoodin mo national music. I find her very analytical, but I think it will work well for her. Na,
Delikado talaga si Mix. Feeling ko make or break talaga siya.
Oh my gosh, rehearsing with Teacher Cecil was kind of like a joy.
Hindi. She was just there, full out. She just needs to, I guess, break it down some more. That's one slip pala. 10 points.
And
Right today, joy, this again. We're power shines at this and tapos nag-isip siya sa tendency. Para nakatawa. Pero ako experience sa musical theater.
Oo nga.
Sa Becca Theater.
Yung police, siya pala yung nag-viral na yun.
Maxi, sa Maxi the Musical. I'm the lead role. Eh, nakapa nyo ng run nun. Kaya ang dami ko rin natutunan sa musical na yun.
Professor
Siya pala yung batang yun.
is very expressive, she's very consistent, and very helpful.
Tama yung chicken.
Unworthy daw, wag lang daw yung upside down yung skirt, gaganon.
Yada.
So, nawala sa isip ko na lilipad si LV.
Oh my God.
Masakit na sige, pero nakakaabaw eksena siya.
So, lilipad. Kasi hindi pa yung gravity na ano,
Agad here. And stop.
the virgin is.
And go. Yes. Then, dapat mabig shift.
Ayan na.
Pero hindi sila
Challenging.
my favor, tapos parang nakikita ng other girls na medyo nag-struggle ako. She's very fearless. You can ask her to do anything. She's a daredevil. Tama-tama yung role niya na she's a flyer.
Kung akin to, mas magaling. Talagang lilipad talaga sa ito.
Liar!
Sexy mix.
Please welcome the cast of Aawitin Kita, the Rusical.
Kamusta kayo? Ano nabibili today? Ano nabibili today, mga bakla?
I'm so excited kasi I got what I wanted.
Excited din ako sa character ko na ipo-portray, which is si Mayor Joy.
And sana matulungan ka niyan para ma-cover yung gusto mo.
Oo, sana talaga, Lord.
Ipapakita ko sa kanila kung sino si Pop Servants. Dadaling ko yung mga natutunan ko sa Ubar kapag nag-brother kami. Bungangaan. Okay, since we're all confident and so excited, I think we should prepare. Shall we?
We shall. Sabayan ko kayo. Ay, ito nga pala yung look ni Mama Pao na paborito ko sa promo. Damn, so good! May pa-compete pa. So good. Love the contacts.
Drag Race Karen, can you use wicked in a sentence?
Di ba Wednesday? Ay, akala ko weekend na.
Nye.
Jiggly, what's your favorite musical? Basculados or Magic Mike Live? Hindi yata musical yun. Ano, nakipag-sing-along ka ba? Gamit ang kanilang mga mic.
Favorite ko, mga no.
John Santos, how many musicals have you done, John?
525,600.
OA.
Precious Paul Nicole!
PPN.
Are you ready for Tony Award-winning performance? Kung hindi an award-winning mga Paul, lagot yan sa akin si Tony. Si Tony ang may award sa akin.
In fairness. Ang cute niya, nasa judges panel na siya.
Salakot ka.
So good! Damn.
Wow! I made the best drag queen! Let's fly into the world premiere of Aawitin Kita!
Sino si Maxi? Ganda ng shoes ni Maxi. Ay, ang ganda ng botas ni yung lip niya. Very attack right now.
Whenever I see someone who's busted and a loner, I clearly have to take over and give her a makeover. You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch.
Ang galing ni Mix.
Just talk the talk, you gotta see that rock. Be sickening like me. Work it, bitch, and you'll make her stirring. Sanitizer, moisturizer, punat, contain concealer, lipstick, lip tint, lip balm, lip gloss, at gumamit ng lip liner. You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch. Not just talk the talk, you gotta see that walk. Be sickening like me. Work it, bitch, and you'll make her sing.
Tintek si Kiana. Kung sa US to, nakahubad yung mga anong yan, pit crew na yan.
I'm Naomi, the fashion queen, honey. Nothing here to clock us.
Yes!
I'm thirsty, I'm slutty, I'm hoochie. I'd rather kai than Kiki. I've got the body, yada yada. I'm Cindy. I'm pretty. Yeah, that's it. We can dance and bring the house down. It's the biggest party city around. Hi. Okay, girls, the library is now open. Check out the best girl to buy. Hot body bar.
Not hug body.
Sino lalapit dyan? Girls, tama na. Dapat kung era na. You don't belong here. You're busted and crusty. You're tired as hell. You don't belong here. So back up and go.
Hindi sumabay yung ano, sayang. Pero sa makeup ni Maxi Goat. Ayan na. Lalabas na si Mayor Joy. Zone City. Ano nga yung city ng ano? Ng sa Wicked? Nakalimutan ko na.
I've always wanted to see Kansas City.
Natatawa ako Quezon City. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. You joy. Libre ano Libre campaign si Mayor Joy dito. Ba't di pa lumalabas? Ang cute. Ba't walang buhok? Ang saya, ti. Emerald City, yun pala yun. Aww. Away. Galing ni Simba dito. Ganda, kinikilabutan ako. Kinikilabutan ako, ang ganda. Favorite scene ko to eh. Pop off Simba. Galing ni Simba, in fairness. Bakit? Shade! Sino yun? Sasha Velour? Ay, may win pala si Sasha. Si Jujubee. Nilipad pa ata. Oh. Nice. Ang galing nila. Ang galing nila lahat. Parang rusical talaga sa Pilipinas. Ang galing. Love it. Ang mag-ano muna tayo. Ihimayin muna natin. Walang nag-flop sa kanila. Pero may parang mga obvious na nag-fade. Which is yung tatlong bully. Siguro dahil minimal lang yung role nila. Pero ang pinaka parang hindi ko nakita or hindi ko masyadong napansin in action, si Angel at saka si Jan. Si Jan yung number 1, tapos si Angel. Parang silang dalawa yung parang nag-fade for me. Yung hindi ko masyadong napansin. Kung bottom 3, either ma-meet ni Mix yung expectation or ano pa sila, we want more, ganung level. Kasi feeling ko talaga may something sila kay Mix dito based sa editing nila for this episode eh. Pero kung hindi si Mix, siguro si Popstar kasi kagaya ni Mix, siguro since minimal yung role niya, since parang special, parang yung Silky Nutmeg na yung Oprah role ni Silky, yung parang lalabas lang sa kalagitnaan yung ganun. Ganyan kasi yung nakuha ni Popstar, which is pag yun yung kinuha mo, dapat parang isagad mo talaga, itodo mo talaga yung magiging iconic ka talaga. Ganun dapat yung role na yun lagi eh. 'Di ba? Katulad ni Shea Coulee, nanalo din siya noon, yung As Black China, 'di ba? For me, if kailangan talaga ng bottom 3 si Popstar, kasi parang hindi niya nagawang gawing iconic yung set niya, yung segment niya na kagaya nga ni Shea Coulee at saka ni Silky. Pero clear talaga is si John, kasi hindi ko talaga siya masyado napansin nung sa finals na lang, saka sabi ko, ay nandito nga pala si Jan nung kumakanta na sila ng anong tawag dun sa theater term, yung final call ba tawag doon? Basta yung lahat sila kumakanta na sa dulo. Tapos nung napan na siya ng camera, sabi, ay oo nga, nandito pala si John. So yun, tas si Angel din. Kasi si Kiana, parang yung nung lines niya, parang naano naman niya, nagawa naman niya, which is great sa kanya kasi nauna siya. So, nung nag-Vogue siya, parang tawa tayo. Tapos nung sinundan ni Angel na nag-Vogue din, parang, okay, nagawa na kasi ni Kiana. So, parang at least na ni Kiana yung sarili niya, naangat niya. So, sa tops naman, feeling ko clear si Zimba. Kung hindi nila lalaruin yung storyline, kung magiging fair sila, si Mix yung isa, tapos si Tita Baby. Kasi ang galing talaga ng ni Tita Baby. Ang ganda ng entrada niya, tsaka yung mouth movement niya. Nice. So, yun yung ko. Top 3 and bottom 3 ko.
Category is
Runway.
Couture.
Kumot
First up,
Couture.
John Fideliaga.
I love it. Yung floral.
For my Kumot Couture look,
Kasi parang kailangan lang ng shape sa baba.
Met Gala gown, which is sort of a shell.
Kailangan ma-accentuate yung shape.
Wide leg hair. So I really love this look. And
Pero yung combination, I love it. Pati yung hairpiece na ribbon.
yes, love that.
Nung ginagawa niya na yung top, isa lang ang sinabi niya doon sa tela. Manigas ka. I think I still have that blanket.
Parang lahat ng Pilipino may ganyang kumot.
Filipino blanket. Yeah. Somebody.
Ay, ang ganda.
For my Kumot Couture, it's me being the queen of the jungle, but
Filipiniana.
Filipiniana.
Ganda ng construction, grabe. Wala, siya na talaga panalo. Oh, nag-mermaid pa. Mermaid gown pa.
And the exes are accessing, super nice.
Naku, wala.
Giving queen of the jungle.
Tingnan natin si Mix, kung sasabay. Pero so far, ganda ng construction.
I think she's the girl of my dream. Oh, Amy, I can't blame you. Tinan mo naman. Yes. Kiana.
Ay, I love the Arenola. In fairness, ganda.
K, Kumot Couture. And siyempre, meron din ako another K, Katol.
Katol. Nasaan yung katol? Baboy? Baboy? Baboy ni Kiana.
Arindola. Brandy.
Arenola Brandy. Oh, branding din ni branding din ni Arizona yan.
Pop.
May reveal? Pero hindi kumot. Dapat di mo na ni-reveal. Kulambo.
Kay nilig ako. Naihituloy ako.
Umiihi siya?
You're in the mood.
You're in the mood.
You're in the
Parang nasira nung reveal. Kasi kumot, hindi kulambo eh. Work, Maxi. Love the hat. Galing yung gumawa ng hat.
Kumot inspired by Maxino Kabata.
Yes, pati yung stocking, so. Boots ba yung stocking? But they were ripped. Pero ang ganda. Kung hindi siya umupo, hindi ko mapapansin. Pero go.
See? You and me could have a bad romance.
Wala. Maganda din to.
She's a dream girl.
Ganda, Maxi. Nice.
Bad, beautiful. Bix Chanel.
Oh my God, love.
Pure Pinoy queer joy.
Oh my God, this is so grand.
I wanted to look like what a child would see in a mirror in their
Ang ganda pati yung kulam. Ito yung dapat yung ginawa ni Kiana. Kulambo lang dito.
extravagant it's ever been. And in the great
Ganda.
words of Nobel Peace Prize winner Melinda Verga, it's fucking Vivienne Westwood inspired.
Ganda.
Wake up,
May laban si Mix.
Chanel coming through.
Nice. Parang mas type ko to than Zimba kasi yung hair, nasira ng green hair ni Zimba yung outfit niya. Pero ito, bumagay yung hair niya.
Angel.
Maganda din.
Naantok siya. She's from Antokyo, Japan. Blanky girl, it's
Ganda.
your world.
Ganda din. Tingnan natin yung hair. Parang di ko bet yung hair. Kung mahaba o bob. Mahaba naman. So, okay lang.
Diba? Kung ako yung mapapanaginipan mo,
Feeling ko makaklak na naman ang fandom yung heels ni ni Angel kasi ito lagi yung suot niya.
Costume na may backdrop pa.
May backdrop pa. This is okay. Pero hindi super wow. Pero I love the construction, the silhouette, kakaiba.
Kita baby! Ay, to my pillow judges.
I don't know. Pero kudos naman na siya yung nag-wear ng pants kasi puro gown na yung nakita natin. Pero, looking at this now, okay pala, maganda.
Eh, kahit natutulog,
Mm-mm.
may kita ng pera. This is a look for the real strong, independent.
Okay lang, pero
Bitch, better have
safe,
my
safe,
money.
safe look to. Kasi parang ang gagrand talaga ng mga nauna sa kanya eh.
May paraffle.
Raffles. Pero sana iba yung construction ng hair, I think.
She got 4 hours of sleep.
Ako, yari na naman si Popstar. Ang simple nung kanya. Feeling ko madadrag siya dito.
Tulog ang bakla.
Kita mo lahat sila ganito yung kumot na gamit.
Gooch. Baby, papasok na siya sa work. Laba. Gooch. Reveal. Pupunta na siya sa O-Bar. Magpa-party. Ay, hindi siya reveal.
It reminds me of yung reveal ni Sugarcane. Yung pag ganun. Ang ganda nung kumot ng may unan. Tapos, sana pinahaba niya ng konti yun.
Pala ako.
Yari si Popstar. Feeling ko mabubottom si Popstar dahil lang sa look. So, mamamatay na yung camera ko kaya hindi ako masyadong ng runway, magfo-focus sa runway. Pero ito yung naging ranking ko. Yan, pakititigan na lang ng ilang seconds. Anyway, back to the show.
I have made some decisions, Queen. Maxi.
Safe. Safe to. Basta Maxi.
Diana.
Safe. Mga safe to, dalawa.
Both of you are safe.
Sila yung safe na nakita ko talaga.
You may kiss the bride.
You may kiss the bride. Oo nga pala, ship nga pala sila. Ano kayang magiging antok? Okay, yun pala yung katol. Ikaw. Hindi ko agad napansin kanina. Ito yung nakikita kong tops and bottoms talaga.
The rest of you are the tops and the bottoms of the week. It's time for the judges' critiques. But, before that, let me just say and congratulate you, all of you.
Ang ganda ng
Well
rusical.
done, well done. Ang ganda ng inyong rusical.
In fairness.
Right after our amazing snatch game.
I love Mama Pao na kinocommand niya talaga when the credits are due.
Is world class.
World class, yeah, tama.
Doon ako bumilib sa'yo because sa konti nung sinabi mo is naalala kita.
Mhm.
But medyo konting-konti lang naman yung na ganun dun sa dalawa mo kasama.
You have
Mm-mm.
to worry.
Yun nga, sa tatlo siya talaga yung parang lumiit.
On stage all the time. Kailangan mong pantayan yung binibigay nilang
Nag-ano kasi, nag-vogue kasi yung dalawa, tas siya hindi. May gawin ka. Yeah.
And with this look naman, I like the kabibe. Napakaganda. But if I were to change something about this look, yung palazzo pants, I think gagawin ko siyang more structured wide leg pants, just like a sexy flare pants.
Pants pala siya. So, oo, dapat i-bell bottom niya. Yeah, oo. Akala ko nga rin, oo, pants pala siya. Oo, no, it's no. Nako, magyayari.
Kalat-kalat na sana yung bottom part
Sana binol bottom niya. Oo. Oo. Kaya yun nga, silhouette talaga yung napuna ko rin. Naku, yari.
Everybody, bakit mo pinili yung biggest pro?
She looks different, which is very connected sa akin kasi I'm here, tapos gusto ko na yung looks ko and whatever.
You chose correctly. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung authenticity. With your Kumot Couture, I love it. I love the silhouette. I love the root
Yes, yung
beer.
Rubio.
Very elegant. And yung mga flowers na pinagtagpi-tagpi, I love
Tapos gumawa pa siya ng
it.
flower dito.
But you
Yung kinat niya
didn't
pati yung
let
leaves, oh.
anybody
Ang galing.
down. This look, exquisite. You look like perfection. Ano, exquisite? Exquisite. Sorry. Kala ko may post. Kala ko may post.
Kainis.
Wow!
Shade.
Aside from the emotional pain na hinuhugot mo, may physical pain, yung very challenging stunt. And it shows what kind of a trooper you are.
Wala, panalo si Zimba.
Very queenly to me.
This week is your redemption.
Yes,
You have redeemed yourself entirely. The emotional journey of the character.
Hindi na akong tingin doon kasi mamamatay na talaga yung camera ko.
Start to finish. For me, this is the
Si ano
best
to?
look tonight.
Kay Zimba to kasi ang haba nung kritik.
From the silhouette to the intricacy of the details, yung mga
Intricacy. Namatay na talaga yung camera ko kaya nagpalit ako ng ibang phone. So, yeah, kaya iba yung itsura ng ano ngayon, ng quality. And yeah, balikan na natin si Zimba.
Simba, I do want you to know, your purpose now is to inspire people like you. You are the reason why drag is still alive, you know. We're here to inspire. So thank you, Zimba. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Tapos na. Si Simba na talaga.
Meron pa. Thank you, Zimba. Now, Mick Chanel, if not the strongest, you are one of the strongest. Sa play.
Thank you.
And hard work pays off. But you also had fun with the role, so very good. Same with your runway. Kahit na hirap ka na, pero ang ganda-ganda mo pa rin, and you have fun.
Ah, baka ikaano niya yun. Nalalaglag
From start to
yung
finish,
ano
hindi
niya.
ka bumitaw sa character mo. Binigyan mo rin ako ng chills kung paano ko naramdaman yung story ng Wicked at kung paano
Yeah,
yung ginawa
nakaka-chills
ng
na.
Drag Race Philippines. You complimented Zimba's character
Yeah.
so well.
Mm.
Both of you worked well together because walang sapawan.
Parang ano talaga, si Glinda tsaka si Elvira. Ano, Elvie?
Feeling ko talaga magkaibigan kayo ni Zimba doon sa
True.
Rusical na yun.
Sila talaga yung
Pink on the
rise to the
runway,
challenge.
Pretty in pink in the Rusical. Ikaw sa lahat
Oo nga, no,
ng
pink din yung
characters
runway
tonight,
niya.
ang pinakamalino na nagpakita ng vulnerability.
Me and the girls were actually talking about this in the workroom, and there was something I was holding back from sharing. It's one of the reasons why I went into the competition. It's because I want to show the world how strong and beautiful people living with HIV can be. I was diagnosed in
That
2021.
was so brave.
And very few people in my life know. My family doesn't even know. When I was first diagnosed, I had been working with a lot of different HIV awareness campaigns and organizations at that time. So hindi ako natakot kasi alam kong may medicine na for it. Alam kong it's not the death sentence that it was many decades ago. Ang concern ko lang nun, sabi ko, when I become undetectable, I'll tell my family. I never got the strength to tell them because I didn't want them to worry about me. I've been undetectable since 6 months after my diagnosis. I've been living happily, strong, beautiful, and stop the stigma. It's not the disease that's killing anymore. It's the fear of people to come out about it. And I just want to inspire people like me na you can also get through it. You can also become a strong, beautiful, resilient person. And that does not change one bit about who you are.
Preach.
I'm so proud of you, Mix, for sharing that story to us. I'm sure as much as this show has changed you, you have also changed a lot of people's mindset for good.
Hopefully.
Ako as an advocate of HIV awareness, Mix, what you did on this show was very, very brave. Thank you for sharing your status to everyone. I think yung stigma, nanggagaling yan sa fear eh. If you don't know what it is, lalo kang matatakot. But with you speaking out, marami kang taong nai-inspire. Yung mga natatakot magpagamot, natatakot magpa-check. This is not a death sentence. No, it's still an epidemic in the Philippines. Parami pa rin po ng parami. You know, if you know that you have it, you have to be responsible. And if you don't have it, syempre you also have to practice safe sex Again, from the bottom of my heart, and for all of the advocates of HIV awareness, we salute you for your courage and for talking about this publicly. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Now,
Mix.
Angel, meron ka daw original role na gusto.
Isa po sa mga naturo sa akin ng nanay ko, wag po kami maging garapan.
Ay,
When Mix said na gusto niya yung role, binigay ko po sa kanya.
I hate na pinamigay mo yung chance na sana ikaw yung gumawa ng main character.
Tsaka feeling ko mag-struggle siya dahil
Sa Drag Race ng season 1.
ang daming lines.
Akong inaagawan ni Morgana at ni Piñas Relax. Nung character
May bubog
na
pa
gusto
siya.
ko, at hindi ko binigay.
yan.
Alam mo yun, kasi there's a right time to be kind and there's a right time na para magdamot ka. Ibig sabing mabuti magdamot. You have to know that is
yung timing. Yeah, tama.
Yeah.
Personally, don't have an issue with you taking a sexy role. If you know something that fits your personality and you know you're gonna deliver it well, I don't see a problem with that.
Pero kailangan
Only in a
kasi ng
competition
ano,
setting. Stick to what you know.
versatility.
Regarding sa outfit, good silhouette, but that silhouette, we already have seen that.
So many
Malapit na
times.
ako mausog sa singit mo. Jesus Christ. Surprises. Surprise me.
Surprise, Mama Pa!
Thank you. Thank you, Angel.
Gago talaga to si
And
Angel.
that's what I
Fast
want.
learner.
Tita Baby,
Sa
it was
ulo.
a supporting role, but you made the best out of that role. Ang galing mo mag-lip sync.
Yeah.
Kitang-kita yung buka ng bibig. Patingin nga ulit yung buka ng bibig. Tignan mo. Sanay na sana.
Wow.
I say.
Saan?
Sa mga kaganyan.
You are giving us something else, pero very tita and very on-brand
Huh?
din. That's what I like about you. Oo nga, no? Ano kaya ang haute couture, kumot version ng isang tita?
Without upstaging the other performer. So no more, no less. Kung ano yung hiniling, you delivered it. You never disappoint.
Yeah.
Popstar Bench. Good morning.
Good morning po, Mama Pa.
Ah,
Good morning.
last week,
Mukha niya
I
talaga
told
si
you
Sarah.
attention because of your runway outfit. This week, what do you think?
Sa tingin ko po,
Runway ulit.
sakto lang.
The goal of the Kumot Couture is hindi magmukhang nakakumot at matutulog. For reveal siya, but hindi siya
Lahat loose.
I'd rather a single reveal, but
Tama rin yung sinabi ni Mama Pao, di ba? Dapat nag-escalate yung looks, di ba? From this, pack, next reveal, next
Yun nga eh. Kaya parang
final
sugar cane talaga.
reveal. Ano yung
Sugar
huling ipapakita ko? So, medyo missed opportunity lang.
when you stand next to them, it just
Umulutang
doesn't
siya.
compete. Where is the elevation? I think that was a
Umulutang siya.
real challenge for this runway, is to take the kumot and make it avant-garde and couture.
Pero ano naman, ginawa
Exactly,
naman
parang
yung
hindi
puffer
mo
jacket type ko.
naitawid
Yun yung
ng
lining.
malala.
Nakikita ko tong look ng
Kaso nga hindi talaga,
performance na ang ganda niyang gamitin
hindi
na idea.
ano,
But the thing is, this is
hindi
Drag
umakyat
Race.
doon.
So you have to, stand out na kailangan kung ano man yung pang-reveal na nasa loob niyan, yun yung pinaka-mag-shine.
Yeah,
or
the
yung
last one.
pinakamagandang reveal na makikita namin.
You did it well. You really, stole that seat. But then again, this runway is kind of, pulling you back.
Another shit. Kaloka.
Lagi na lang.
I'm so sorry.
Paglabas mo pa lang, tawa ako ng tawa sa'yo. With your great facial expressions.
Oh, parang
with
si
your
Mayor Joy
theatrical
talaga.
moves, napaka-
Mayor Joy, di kat-kata, hindi si
napaka-artikulado.
Mayor Joy.
Alam mo kung paano kami patatawanin.
Sobrang nakakatawa. Ang daming nangyayari sa mukha mo sa loob ng isang segundo. Hindi ko kung paano mo ginagawa. Ako yung napapagaya na sa'yo. And kudos kasi hindi ka takot pumangit kasi sobrang ganda ng face mo. Na-deliver mo at naitawid mo kung wala talaga si Mayor Joy. Wala talagang Rosie Carol.
Thank you, ladies. Please evaporate.
Evaporate.
Ang Gina.
Ang jingay.
I have made my decision. Bring back my songbirds.
Okay, ano muna? Hulaan ko lang. Feeling ko mananalo si Zimba based sa mga critiques kasi puring-puri talaga siya. Though, personally, feeling ko kaya naman mag-double win kasi parang neck to neck talaga sila ni Mix sa challenge na to. Pero based sa judges' critiques, kay Zimba talaga. Then, bottom 2, si Popstar, sure. Kasi yung outfit niya talaga, feeling ko maglalan sa kanya sa bottom. Isa pa, feeling ko since challenge-wise yung hinahanap, si John siguro kasi mas importante naman lagi yung challenge performance than runway eh. Oo, kasi na-shred din siya sa outfit dahil dun sa pants. Pants pala yun, kala ko palda, skirt. Skirt! Sige na, tara na.
Welcome back, ladies. I've made some decisions. The hardest decisions so far this season.
Kasi wala clear bottom na clear sa challenge mismo. Safe.
You are safe. Mix Chanel and Zimbadi. It was...
Kala ko magdo-double. Yeah, sobrang close.
Both took risks. Zimbadi.
Winner.
Congratulations.
Long breaks, ng water, at ding. Thank you, Lord.
You also receive a room.
Wala nga palang Tapos natalo pa siya sa pinakaunang challenge sa lip sync.
Well, with tonight, prize, Zimbadi. Mix Chanel. You enjoy the other queens. Congratulations pa rin.
Doon ka na, ang dami mong inaano.
Ay.
Siguro nag-speech yun, ng mahaba.
Ay, thank you.
Ay.
Wala pa.
John.
Baliw ka, tas na bottom ka.
I'm sorry, Ira, but you're up for elimination.
Kasi challenge-wise nga, so siya yung number 1 bottom.
We have been seduced by you. At this point in the competition,
Alam niyang safe siya eh.
we wonder, what else does our sex kitten have to offer?
Yeah, oo.
Angel, you are safe. That means, Popstar Bench, I am sorry, Lihan. You're also up for elimination.
Here we go again. Another case of the runway really letting down her stellar performance in the challenges.
Wawan nun si Popstar.
Gaga and Popstar Bench.
Okay, paglabas ko dyan, susugurin ko talaga lahat ng designer ko. I-expose ko yung mga designer ko na yun para walang lumapit.
Sorry, Mama Jan. Kailangan kong magstay dito. Tsaka marami ka ng pere.
For you to
Nakabano kay dyan kasi performer si Popstar.
good luck. At dapat
Baliw talaga to si Mama Pao. Oh. So far, so good. Ganda yung intro nila. Kasi parang Sarah din to eh. So, pyesa ni ni Popstar. For sure, pina-perform niya rin to. Mas kuha ni Popstar yung emotion. Kasi nga, feeling ko pina-perform niya talaga to. Feeling ko lahat naman ng gay, nililipsig talaga nung bata pa sila. Ay, may pa-reveal. Ay! Kung ganyan yung itsura na ako, kaso bawal kumot kasi. Lumalaban si Jan. Nice! Ay, may may pa-eksena. Parang hindi lang bagay yung outfit ni Bench sa kanta. Pero kuha niya yung emotion. Boy pa. Para silang nag-give. Kaso mas lang si Popstar talaga. Lumalamang lang na konti. Sana hindi nilaro ni Jan kasi kung serious kung laruin mo. Kuha ni Popstar to. Ang hirap naman bitawan ng mga cast na to. Gusto ko pa naman si Jan so far. Kaso nilamon siya ni Bench dito eh. Di kasi buo yung performance ni Jan. Magsiseryoso, pagko-comedy, seryoso comedy.
I have made my decision.
Pero kung track record,
Star
ayun na. Upstar na.
Shantae, you stay. You may join the other queen.
Sayang. Frontrunner na si Jan.
John Fideliaga. You have shown the world that beyond the social media influencer facade,
Oo nga, in fairness, parang na-exceed niya yung limit, yung expectation sa kanya.
that you are a star
Oh, so sad.
and keep on shining. You have made your folks very proud from Cavite to San Francisco. Our OMG queen. We are so sad to
Kakainis.
let you go,
Ang galing na
but
kasi.
now so shailing.
Robert. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank everyone, especially Drag Race. Because I was able to show the real me, the drag side of me. And I found sisters. And you made me feel safe here. And I was able to show the world. And like Winifred's brother. That I'm a star.
Yes, you are.
Maraming salamat po.
Sayang siya kasi week by week, nag-expect tayo na mananalo na siya din. Biglang elim. Ang talented niya eh.
Tanaohan pa ako.
Wala pa sa Angel Season 4.
Sama sila ni Angel sa season 4.
Serve the wig.
Putik na sabi ka pa ko. Ano ba?
Bye everyone. And always choose kindness. Mga Bex, alis na ako. But always remember, dito pa rin ako lagi. Magbigay ng ngiti sa inyong mga lati.
Ang ganda kasi ng energy ni Jan eh. Very ang light, ang
Subscribe naman kayo
positive.
sa akin, hindi yung puro kayo.
Oo nga, subscribe kayo dyan. Magaganda yung content niya.
Ala ko po na eh. Wala, mag-isa na lang ako dito. I'm kind of disappointed of myself. And at the same time din naman, parang lumaban naman si Bakla.
Oo.
So, I'm really happy and proud of myself.
You should be.
What's next for John Sidaliaga is gonna be a big one because I'm not only gonna conquer Drag Race Philippines, I'm gonna conquer the workroom. Eme, charis na. I'm gonna conquer the whole world. So
Yes, you will.
don't be sad about me. I'm happy. And
I believe naman.
Sabi ko sa inyo, drag queen ako, ay hindi maniwala.
Sa totoo lang, hindi talaga nag-expect ng malaki sa kanya kasi social media influencer siya eh.
Congratulations, queens! You all made your mothers proud.
Anong nangyari kay Kiana doon? Natapon yung ihi.
Ang Hina Queen ang inyo! And remember, ang tunay na ikaw ay pakita sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. Puso, puso at puso pa rin. Can I get an ebe up in here?
Ang hirap na sitwasyon ni mama pa, parang pinipilit niya talaga magsalita.
How about an ebe up in there? Now let the music play, party, party!
Nasaan isang ko? Putik na tulog na. Take it away.
Next time on Drag Race Philippines. So for today's Maxi Challenge, it's time to make over your loved ones.
Ay, yawa. Marami siyang
Makeover na.
nanakit sa akin. Ganun na. Kami ganun.
Ako nakakaiyak na naman tong episode na to.
I hate her so much. Our very special
Ay, ganda ng ano.
and the only megastar of the
Ganda ng outfit ng mga pa. Shawi.
He's one of the best transformation that I've ever seen in the entire franchise.
Tataka lang ako, ba't si Shawi sa makeover? Ay, yung boyfriend ni Tita Baby.
This is literally anyone's game.
Final thoughts tayo. Feeling ko naman fair yung mga naging judgment ngayong episode na to. Nasasad ako kay Jan kasi nga parang week by week niroroot natin siya na manalo kasi high na nga siya. Parang week by week parang number 2 siya lagi. Sayang naman kasi ang talented niya talaga. And yun nga, parang na-exceed. Feeling ko kahit yung mga judges, na-exceed yung expectation nila kay Jan. Kasi ako talaga, hindi talaga ako nag-expect ng malaki kay Jan kasi yun nga, kasi nga social media influencer siya pero wala akong idea na kaya niya pala talagang mag-perform. Comedy, hindi naman ako nagdududa sa kanya kasi yung mga videos naman niya talaga, magaling naman talaga siyang magpatawa. Na-disappoint niya lang ako nung week 1 talaga na ang gara nung social media niya. Yung viral video niya. Pero after that, napahanga na talaga niya ako week by week. So yun, sayang lang. Parang kasi isa na siya sa parang naging top material ko sana parang na-expect ko mapupunta rin sa finale. So, yun, nasad lang ako na nag-stay away na siya. Pero naman based sa lip sync talaga, na ipanalo talaga ni ni Popstar. Napapansin ko dito sa Drag Race Philippines, maganda siya kasi kuha niya yung authenticity ng RuPaul's Drag Race na minahal natin from season 1 to, I think, season 6, ganyan. Medyo season 7. Yung talagang concern pa talaga yung si RuPaul sa mga queens, which is nakikita ko kay Mama Pao na concern talaga siya sa mga queens and nahirapan siya, na parang tinutulungan niya talaga, nahirapan siya na magdesisyon, ganyan, kitang-kita sa kanya lagi, na parang nasa puso niya talaga. Kasi yung RuPaul ngayon, parang napakikita natin, parang robot na lang na, parang ginagawa na lang yung trabaho niya, parang ganun. Yun kasi yung nagustuhan ko rin sa Drag Race noon, kay RuPaul, na parang ang authentic ang authentic niya, parang may care talaga siya sa mga queens. Kaya itong kay Mama Pao, nakikita ko talaga na gusto niya talaga yung tulungan yung mga queens, na hindi siya aloof, na friend talaga yung turing niya sa mga queens, na hindi mo makikita na judge siya, nagpa-alarma nga siya, di ba? Hindi katulad ng Drag Race ngayon ni RuPaul na parang ginagawa na lang na mang-rig para mag-trending din yan, which is so annoying. Kaya parang gusto ko na rin talagang yung Drag Race ni RuPaul, yung US, i-boycott. Kasi talaga dry season, kailangan mo talagang manood Kaya ngayon, dinigil ko talaga yung Global All-Stars kasi hindi ko na talaga kayang panoorin. Sobrang rig talaga mag-judge ni RuPaul. Ewan ko. Nakakalusot lagi yung Katie na yun. So annoying. Yeah, next week makeover. Oh my God, another sobrang emotional naman nito. Maganda tayo ng tissue next week kasi family na naman. Kung yun ng mga Golden Gays, napaiyak tayo, paano pa ba tong family na Hindi ko lang mag-gets kung bakit si Sharon yung guest judge nila sa makeover. Parang hindi naman fashion icon kasi si Shawi. Sana pinagbaligtad na lang nila na si PPN yung nag-makeover, then si Shawi sa Rusical. Mas magigets ko pa yun. Dapat ganun na lang. Kasi si PPN, napagdaanan niya yung makeover challenge So, dapat siya na lang. Ewan ko ba kung bakit ganun. Siguro may nangyari na nag-change sked sila. Can't wait sa next week. Pahirap mag-let go ng queen talaga. Kasi dati, nung kompleto sila, maano mo talaga na, ito, uuwi to. Okay, deserve naman niya umuwi. Pero ngayon, parang, deserve naman ni John based sa lip sync and challenge. Pero parang, ang hirap talagang i-let go ng mga queens na, kasi napumahal ka na. So, yeah, tignan natin kung sino yung next na uwi. Okay, mag-predict tayo. Makeover. Feeling ko mahirapan na naman si Angel. Siya yung number 1 na nasa isip kong mag-i-struggle sa challenge na to. Si Popstar, kasi nga, hindi rin siya look queen. So, feeling ko mag-i-struggle din siya. Third, Tita Baby. Feeling ko si Tita Baby based doon sa ball challenge. Si Tita Baby. So, yun yung feeling kong magiging bottom 3. Then, top 3. Feeling ko top 3, sige, si Mix. Kasi nanalo siya sa challenge niya si Maxi din. Na-expect ko din na mag-excel. Sino pa bang natitirang look? Ay, si Kiana. Oo naman, si Kiana. Si Zimba, pwede din. Si Zimba dan Maxi. Maalin sa dalawa ang pwedeng lumaylay sa top 3. So, yun yung prediction ko. Sino kayo magsa-solo Antak next week? Kasi di ba, taon-taon may nagsa-solo na Antak. Yun lang today. So, kung may time pa kayo, panoorin nyo yung Antak reaction ko dito sa YouTube channel ko. Sa ngayon, papaalam muna ako. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok. So, yun lang. Goodbye.